You that bad?
Sing.
Huh?
Huh?
Are you that bad?
Yeah.
I'm bad.
Pontoon. What? You know the word pontoon?
Want a cookie?
Sure. So listen to some one pontoon.
What? You got it up?
Oh, I'm supposed to bring it up for you?
Are you gonna?
You want me to?
Yeah, can you?
I'll listen to some one
Do
pontoon.
you know what song I'm talking about?
Well, there's a lot of songs. Don't know what one you want. You do.
He can pick a song.
That's the name of it. Is it? That's the name of it?
Oh, what?
You read that. Huh?
It's pretty easy to read.
Pretty easy to read. It isn't when you're blind.
Go close.
I can't see it. Never mind.
Here. Here, I'll say one.
You what?
This is what makes you beautiful. Just listen.
That sounds like funny music.
Huh?
That's funny music to me.
I thought it was boring. I'm just kidding.
What?
Dead skunk in the middle of the road. You got that?
Ew. Oh, just one punch.
Like nobody else.
The way that you put it